Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone. So first go into the settings, then scroll down to battery, current mode, change from balanced to battery saver or even ultra battery saver. I won't do it right now because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go back into the display and brightness right here, enable dark mode. Here we have screen brightness, you can lower it, or like me, enable automatic brightness. Scroll down to refresh rate. Here you can change the refresh rate. I'll recommend you to stick with the default options. Then go back and scroll from the top to open quick settings and disable every settings that you're not currently using, so like a Wi-Fi, data transfer, Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.